So, Clyde, baby, how are you, bud? Your fans want to know how you're doing, buddy. You sitting in the way right here, or for me to do my reading. You want to say hi to your fans? Booby, what you looking for? You're trying to figure out a way to get underneath this blanket because I can feel your little paw on my leg. Can I say hi to your fans? Look how cute that baby boy is. He's just so handsome. Yeah, show him how handsome you are, Bubby. You want to do the winky? You want to wink? Wink at your fans, babe. He said, no, I don't really. Oh, buddy. Look how just perfect this kitty cat is. He's just so handsome and perfect. Just look at him. Clyde's sexy and he knows it. Listen to his meow. Look at his eyes. He's like, he'll stop singing it. Are you tired of that song, Clyde? Because your eyes are telling me you're tired of that song. But you are, okay, okay, yeah. You ain't having it, I feel you. Look how perfect that little kitty cat is. He's so cute. Look at him. Look at him. Look at his little cute butt. He's so cute. His little toes. I just want to see how cute your toes are. And your little feet, your little paw skis. He's in there, tongue out. God, you're so cute. He's so majestic. Lights, camera, action. Ooh, who's that cutie pie? Who that cutie pie, baby boy? Okay, we don't want to see you doing that. Oh, I thought he was cleaning himself. There's puppies. Alright, guys, we shall see you in a minute. I'm getting ready to do a reading. God bless.